Here's how to fix the TikTok account region not found or country or region not available error. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture from the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the three lines in the top right to access your settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and go to the language section that you will find language option that you will find under content and display. Here, ensure that both your app language and the content language are set to the actual country or the country you want to use. For instance, if you're in the United States, select English United States. And if the problem persists, you can go to your phone settings and turn on location services, or you can also open the navigation bar from the top and enable location. TikTok uses this to determine your region. In your phone's app settings, find TikTok and clear cache and data. Scroll all the way down and tap on Free Up Space. Then tap on Clear, which is in the section of cache. Then tap on Clear again to confirm. Then reopen TikTok and this should automatically refresh your region. If you still see the error, ensure that you have a stable internet connection and the device region is correctly set. To check your device region, you can go to Phone Setting and select Language and Region and choose your correct country. Restart your device and open TikTok application and the error should have gone. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.